in terms of fostering ecumenism and so on, this is the moment where the church reaches out and realizes that people come from slightly different perspectives and traditions, arriving at the same conclusions because they reveal truth. You're not going to arrive at different truths, otherwise there's something wrong. But these different ways of being nurtured, and again, it does make a difference. It's different ways of being. There is something in this patrimony of the Ordinariate about the successors of the heretics and the successors of the martyrs becoming the same thing. And that, I guess, will only make sense in heaven. And hopefully all our ancestors will be there. Yeah. So we knew each other. The clergy nearly all knew each other. Although there were some surprises, but more than not, we knew each other. We were coming with bishops that we already knew. Our faithful knew not only us, but the bishops. And I think perhaps you've seen that in these last 3 days. But the relationship between the ordinary and the priest and the bishop is not something in a sense that we've built up. It's something we brought with us. It was forged in those years of being sort of driven into a ghetto in the Church of England. But that relationship was very real and strong. So we had that to hit the floor running with. The Ordinariate says, by its very existence, that come the day where there is unity in doctrine, bizarre, those from a separated tradition can become a particular church. Somebody powerfully said in the Ordinariate that the book of Christian unity is yet to be written, but Benedict wrote the final chapter. And I think that is quite powerful, actually. And I think Anglicans are starting to see that. They may not process it in the way we do, but actually the Catholic Church is not going to let this fail. Because if it does fail, it is actually saying it's a disingenuous partner in any ecumenical dialogue. So to be part of that, it's enough, actually. Anything else is a bonus, but it's enough.
If there are Anglicans watching this, is there a particular message you'd like to give them?
A piece of advice that I quoted in my homily this morning, don't become a Catholic because the grass is greener. If you're expecting some sort of, everything's perfect and made in your own image, it's not going to work. But it is the church. For all its flaws, for all its imperfections, this is the church founded by Jesus Christ. And that means it cannot fail.